So we have a Lego box up there. A wire, Kermit. There's a switch going to this, our mini ceiling fan. This is a 500mm or 19.5-inch diameter fan. Now I've been having some issues with it today. It wasn't doing anything yesterday, but today it's been hiccuping, so it's got kicking on this. It might be because it's not getting the correct voltage, because I'm running it on 9.5 volts instead of 12, or for whatever reason, it's not really happy. It does work. It's just keeps twisting this thing. So I'll start by flipping the switch here. Actually, right now it's okay. It's only hiccuping a little bit right now. Of course, it's just one speed. This fan puts out a decent breeze for what it is. Probably like one of my, like a 16-inch pedestal fan on low. So actually it's not that bad right now. So I'll go ahead and turn it off and see the very short spin down. Turn it down one more time. Okay, yeah, it's doing it. I don't really know why, but if I hold on to this, it doesn't stop. If you grab onto the down rod, it'll completely shut down. So it's not quite getting up to full speed. And that's why it's not happy. Anyway, that's it for my mini ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, well, bye for now.